In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print or export task lists in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity tool that helps you manage your tasks, documents, and workflows all in one place. Whether you're looking to print a specific task, capture an overview of your task list, or export a document for sharing, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get it done. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to print or save your ClickUp content in a few simple ways. Let's get started. First, let's go over how to print a specific task. Start by opening the task you want to print. You can do this by clicking on it directly from your task list. Once the task window opens, look towards the top right corner. There, you'll see the Options menu, which is represented by 3 dots. Click on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the option labeled Print. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the task details and make sure all the necessary information is included. If everything looks good, follow the prompts that appear on your screen to either print the task directly or save it as a PDF for later use. Next, let's talk about printing an entire task list. To do this, open the task list view in ClickUp so you can see all the tasks you want to print. Once your task list is displayed, you'll need to capture a screenshot of it. If you're using Windows, you can use the snipping tool for this. On a Mac, press Shift, Command, and the number 4 at the same time to take a screenshot. Make sure you capture the visible part of the task list clearly. After taking the screenshot, save the file to your computer. Once it's saved, open the file and send it to your printer for a physical copy. Lastly, let's go over how to print or export a document within ClickUp. Start by navigating to the document you want to print. You can find it in the sidebar of ClickUp and simply click on it to open it. Once the document is open, look to the right-hand side of the document window. There you'll see the export option. Click on it and you'll be presented with a few choices. If you want to print the document directly, select the Print option. If you'd prefer a digital copy, choose Export as PDF. Once you've made your selection, follow the prompts to complete the process. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a registration link in the description below to get started with your own account. And there you have it. Whether you're printing a single task, an entire task list, or a document, these steps will guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.